you want to know how I got this look, watch the video to the end. Hey guys, welcome to J3 Empire Hair, where we give you videos on hairstyles, growth tips, DIYs and many more. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful Bantu knot from the beginning to the very end, so keep watching. So the very first thing you have to do is detangle your hair if need be. Then once you're done with the detangling process, all you have to do is part your hair using your rat tail comb, your parting comb into any style you want. The next step is to part your hair. Then I've done my first part and I'll be using some rubber bands, these cocoa rubber bands for hair. What I'll do first of all is I'll put some oil on it to reduce the friction, and that will stop my hair from shedding along with the rubber band when I'm about to lose the hair. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me, like it's very important to me. Next thing you have to do is tie it up with the rubber band. You can use one or two depending on how tight you want it to be, but I would advise that you should not make it too tight. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me, like it's very important to me. So please do that, hit that subscribe button. So please do that, hit that subscribe button. So please do that, hit that subscribe button. As I said earlier, make sure it's not too tight. So once you're done with the rubber band part, all you have to do is braid that section. Since we are going to be using the crochet pin, we have to braid that section first. Finally, we are done with braiding the first part. What you have to do now is get your braided hair. Yes, then you get your crochet pin. So you would insert the crochet pin into your hair, that's under the braid and under the rubber band. Then you get the braided hair and hook it on the crochet pin. Then all you have to do is drag the braided hair under the rubber band. Yes, exactly. Then once you're done with that, you should either do a second insertion. That's you insert the crochet pin into the braid, that's the fake braided hair. Then you get your hair and pull it out. Then once you're done with that, just make a roll. That's take your braided hair and roll it over the extension. Yes, as you can see me do in the video. Yes. And once you're done with that, you take the extension and roll it over the braided hair. That's over the whole thing. Exactly as I've done in the video. You see, I did it in a conical manner. So it's not that you roll it straight up, like you roll it in a conical manner. Then you tighten it by using the tiny part of the extension. Yes, that's it. How beautiful does that look? I'm so sorry I couldn't get the rest footage because the file was corrupt. I don't know how that happened, but I couldn't get the rest footage. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and leave a like. Also leave a comment in the comment section. Love you. Bye.